Hey everyone, I'm Daniel Mendoza and a Web and UX design student, and today I'll be doing a video walkthrough of my responsive mobile website, Anglers Pick Custom Rods, APCR for short. This site was created for the course DME-216. Let's get started. Anglers Pick Custom Rod is an online commerce selling custom fishing rods to anglers who value customized top-tier rods. The main goal of the site was to create a unique and intuitive experience for someone looking to buy a customized fishing rod. What you're able to see here is the landing page for APCR. Users are met with this page upon entering the site. You can notice straight away that the site is offering users a seasonal promotion with the intent of attracting users to the main purpose of this website, purchasing custom fishing rods. For the purpose of this video, we will navigate to the home page of the site as opposed to using the call to action button. So here's our logo, which serves as a home button. Here in the home page, you are able to see our header section once again, which is our navigational menu, as well as the shopping cart, and then the logo type, which serves as a home button, as mentioned earlier. Here we have our search bar. So users are able to type in what they want to find with this search element. Similar to the landing page, we have a hero style image, a headline, a brief description or prompt, and this is prompting for the custom rod builder, one of the main features of this website. Down in the body of the home page, we have a card style navigational element. So we have a pre-built card, which would be for pre-built fishing rods that users might want to check out and buy. A warranty section in order to get quick warranty info for previous purchases. A review section in order to view other people's reviews on certain fishing rods or add your own. Customer service in case a user wants to get in touch with a representative to get information. Our main tool, which would be the rod builder tool. And then we have our footer once again. So the footer is the footer consists of navigational links as well as contact information, social media links, and our copyright information. So if we go over here to the navigation menu, we're able to get to our first page, which is our rod builder, the second page, which is our pre-built rods, warranty page, customer service, and about us. Let's go ahead and take a look at about us. So here we have this layout here. So we have a headline just to give us information on, well, it's more like a title to give us information on which page we are at. So you're going to see that throughout this website we have our header, which is on most of our pages, as well as our search bar. So similar to the landing and home page, we also have another full width image with a headline and some information. So here we have another, I guess it would be similar to this one, like an article, but this one is more with the purpose of giving a mission statement of the site. So users are able to read the information here. Now let's take a look at our customer service. So here we see the design is cohesive throughout the pages. So another full width image with customer service as headline here, and then information regarding the customer service. And down towards the bottom end of this page, we have forms in order to get in contact with customer service. So users would put in their email, their phone number, type in their submission, and then send out the submission with this button here. So upon pressing it, they'll get visual confirmation that it has been sent. So the color changes as well as the text. Now let's take a look at our warranty. So again, the site is cohesive with the full width image, the headline here describing the page, the headline here, or the article or piece of text here. So users here are able to get some information about the warranty. Now let's go and look at our pre-built rods. Well, actually, let's actually navigate back to the home page. We should check out the reviews section. So similar to the other pages that we have seen, it follows the same layout. And here we have some information about the reviews section. And now we are met with this card style layout for recent reviews that other users have given. So we have our star icons here in order, our star ratings, sorry. So these are just like the name, the star rating, and then the review. And then down to the lower end of the page, we have some forms in order to submit your own review about recent purchases. So you would go ahead and enter name, the star rating by tapping on the stars, your submission text, and then you would send out your review with the button here. And again, you get visual confirmation as well as the text changing. All right, so let's go ahead and now we can take a look at our pre-built rods. So similar to the other pages again, we have our title up here. And now we in our body section we see this image here. Now if you notice, we don't have full width like in the other sections, and we do have this icon in order to instruct us that this is an element that can continue off the side of the page. But before we go into that, we'll just look at here and you're able to view your cart. So in this pre-built section, you would use this icon to navigate through these items. These are all pre-built fishing rods that a user might be able to quickly pick up if they're in a rush, or if they know that this is a rod that they purchased before that has proven worthy for them. Alright, so each section of this carousel consists of the name of the rods, the rod length, and then a description about the durability of each rod. So you also have your price, and then if you wanted to add another rod to the purchase, you would also to the cart, sorry, you would use these buttons here. So let's say, for example, a user wanted to get this rod here. You would add it to your cart. And if you noticed earlier in the video, we did check out the shopping cart and it was empty. But once you have this added, you are able to view a cart. And now you are in your shopping cart once again. But now you have your pre-built fishing rod in the cart. So we are given these two options here. You're able to check out, or you're able to remove it from your cart. Now ideally you would also be able to add another product. Now we do have this back icon in order to get back to the pre-built fishing rods if you missed out on something and you wanted to pick something else up or view some more items. So users are able to get back to that page here. And then let's go back to our cart. Now As I mentioned earlier, here the shopping cart was empty, and now it has this item. Now we are able to remove the item. I won't be doing that here, but you are able to remove the item and go back to the empty shopping cart. Now let's proceed with this checkout process. So you tap that. Okay, here's our checkout screen for this fishing rod that we would like to purchase. So our order summary, we're able to press on this section and view our product that we have chosen to buy. Now we have our pricing, we have the name of the product, we have a description of the product. Okay, in order to continue with the checkout process, users would type in their information, their contact information, email, phone, their address, all their address information, and the payment section here. So they would type in card number, expiration date, security code, name on card. And then you're met with this button down at the bottom in order to complete your payment. So let's click pay. Okay, so users are met with this confirmation screen after purchasing their item. So the order summary now is fixed and it's not necessary to press it. The user is just met with this for them to be able to see that they have bought this item. So the amount paid, look at here, confirmation of their address, then a message from APCR and this is just to tell them that they will be receiving an email confirmation as well. Alright, well, that's a checkout process. And at any point in the checkout process, we do have our buy buttons, just like we had in our shopping cart. Alright, well, we know that we've purchased that. Now let's remove this item from the cart. Okay, now we can navigate back home. Alright, so we've bought a pre-built fishing rod. Now, another thing that we could do, which is the main purpose of this site, is to create our own fishing rod. So throughout the site, we have gotten many opportunities of getting to the rod builder. Now we will try this rod builder card element here. Okay, similar to the pre-built fishing rod section, we have our custom rod builder title up here, another carousel in order to select the blank fishing rod, no length, this is just a fishing pole and you're able to customize further. So we have different weight classifications that you can select. Okay. Say a user wants to purchase a heavy graphite rod. Now they're able to add this to the cart after selecting rod length, reel seat, action type, the colors, the handle material. So we would add it to cart similar to the prototype, the pre-built, and then we're able to view it in cart after selecting each of these. So in our shopping cart, we are met with a custom fishing rod now. You're also given a description of all the additional things that you've done to it. And it's the same checkout process as before in order to keep the experience cohesive and similar. Now we're given this. So our order summary. And then same as before, all payment information, billing address, and contact information. Alright, so same payment confirmed screen. Alright, so there we have it, guys. This was Angler's Pick Custom Rods. This is a mobile website that I have designed for DME-216. And I'm excited to hear what you guys have to say about it. And any questions or concerns, just let me know. Thank you.